All right, good evening. It's evening already. This is a quick video about this Technics receiver. That's the SA-800. Look here. The SA-800 is 125 watts per channel. I just got these not long ago. I'm just trying it out. I haven't done anything to it. It looks pretty good on the outside and it sounds pretty clean too. There's a couple of blemishes in the top of the receiver and the wood veneer, but then again, I mean, it sounds pretty good. I don't think it needs anything. I got it from a local guy, and he swore that it was good. So trying it out real quick, and pretty much just like I said, it's SA-800. I'm gonna give it a quick try. I have an equalizer on top. I'm gonna do a video about that one. I think I did already, but it sounded horrible, so probably just do a better one. But this particular one, like I said, I mean, it looks pretty good and it sounds fantastic. Very, very clean with the phono. There's no scratches or anything. You think you're probably listening to a CD when you listen to a vinyl. So I like the phono stage on this particular unit. It's not a long video. Probably get hit with the copyright, but then again, I'm not monetized, so it doesn't really matter. Let me just play this real quick.
Oh, I feel breeze drifting on by. You know how I feel. It's a new dawn. It's a new day. It's a new life for me. And I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. Fish in the sea, you know how I feel. River running free, you know how I feel. Blossom on the tree, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me. And I'm feeling good. Dragonfly out in the sun, you know what I mean, don't you know? Butterflies all having fun, you know what I mean.
God, that sounds so good. And the equalizer makes a big difference. So again, it's a short video. Let me know what you think. And I'm in search of the SA-1000. That's 330 watts per channel, but that's like a unicorn is what they call it. So it's really hard to find. Since I saw this in the market, as soon as it came out, I just grabbed it. And I pretty made friends with the gentleman who sold it. He got a whole bunch of stuff. So I also got a pair of ASD speaker, the L810. I'll be making a video shortly about those ones. Those are so heavy. So again, this is a quick short video of the Technics receiver, SA-800 Monster Receiver, 125 watts per channel. Let me know what you think. I've had other videos in the channel, like the Pioneer SAF-850. I think I got a 980 on it. I pretty much like a Toshiba I have in there too. Sounds pretty good too. But this one, it is actually fantastic. I've been stuck and married to Pioneer for the past couple of years, so I just wanted to try something new. I don't like receivers per se, because they have these the stations and everything, which I don't listen to. So pretty much you listen to a CD, or this particular song playing was a streaming by Michael Bublé, I'm Feeling Good. It sounds pretty good on Nina Simone as well. So this is like fantastic, and then I'll try to make another video that it looks good about the equalizer. I think I did with the iPhone, so this is a GoPro camera, so probably sounds better, hopefully. And again, I'm using my speakers, so it's the same. I probably just hook up the L810 ASD, but then again, I like this speaker so much, I just got so used to it. So let me know what you think, and let me know what you think about this Monster Receiver. Does it compare to a 1280, or does it compare to a Pioneer? Does it compare to Sansui DB 9090, which I also had and made a video? Check my channel. But then again, let me know. Hopefully you like the video. Again, it's nothing really pretty much to it. I'll pray a little bit more and see how it sounds.
Stay with me, sway with me. Other dancers may be on the floor, dear, but my eyes will see only you. Only you have that magic technique. When we swear I can hear the sound of violins long before it begins. Make me feel as only you know how. Swing it smooth, swing it on.
That was really loud on 3, imagine. So good thing that the speaker will take it. So again, this is like the 3rd time I say goodbye. So enjoy and let me know what you think. Thank you.